What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are at the IFE event in London. I'll just tell a bit more.
So yeah, we're at the IFE event today in the XL London. So we're going to take you around and show you what we're about to do. Basically, we've opened a new a mobile dessert parlour for events. We're doing a few other things as well, but yeah, we'll keep you posted. We're going to let you know exactly what we do today.
So we'll show you the vehicle that we've come in today. Nice Mini Cooper S. Yeah. So we're walking around. We can't find the show. This place is so big.
Sorry?
And it's so busy, like it's unreal. And this guy's blabbering on the phone, as usual.
Nah. I don't know what it's doing. I don't think we're not even that cool.
It didn't have the sour pickle taste that traditional sauerkraut tends to have. From a health perspective, I wanted a sauerkraut that incorporated more prebiotic foods. I wanted one that had superkrauts included in it and one that contained the live bacteria. So in a nutshell, I was looking for like a supercharged sauerkraut. Now this resulted in me making my own.
What's happening, guys? We just finished the event. It was crazy. Loads of different things we saw. Yeah. So now we heard a bit of music. We're walking towards it. We're gonna see where the party's at. So we've decided to go to Five Guys.
You've decided.
In the O2 Dome, but we're gonna take a cable cart there.
Nah,
and
I'm gonna look at it first, but I ain't getting.
This guy's a bit scared.
I'm gonna get
so please support him.
What do you mean?
He needs some more support. So.
Nah, no cable cart.
So now we got to walk all the way back into the building, all the way to the other side.
No,
it's about a half an hour walk
right
until we get to
where
we need to get to before we can get to the cable cart. So
I'm not doing
that. Yeah. We're so impatient.
We get to know the cable cart.
So basically, we was walking towards the cable cart and we missed a whole section of another food thing.
Ya, ¿por qué? Porque en este formato va a ser una cocina callejera, una cocina actual, una cocina como Robert.
Vale, que es callejería. I don't understand half of it, so I try to invent it, but I feel it. So basically what we're going to do is, with these modern ingredients, we're going to represent the authenticity of Spain with a lot of love and a lot of feeling what we're going to bring into your plate.
Entonces, lo que hacemos es elegir.
So as I was saying, yeah, we was walking towards the cable carts outside the actual XL, and we missed a whole section of an exhibition, and we're about to go home.
Basically, his dreams are shattered. He realised it doesn't even take you to that O2 where you thought it took you. What do you think it was taking you?
I thought it was going to the dome, but it's going the opposite direction.
So yeah, we're just fucking, sorry, mom language. So yeah, we're just walking, trying to find this place.
I don't think you guys can see, a bit upset. This is going from there, going over there somewhere. We need to get there. So some of you have been to XL. That's the building there. It's huge. And we parked our car on the other side of the building.
It's all bright ideas really, you know?
Yeah.
Sunny's out there.